What if the circuit consists of dependent source? This is the dependent voltage source, and then this is dependent current source. This is the process flows in order to solve if the circuit consists of dependent voltage source or dependent current source. First step will be, you have to remove the RL. Then you need to find the Thevenins. The next step will be find the I Nortons. And then after you determine the values of Thevenins and I Norton by using the Ohm's law, which is R Thevenins equal to Thevenins over I Nortons. Now all the informations that related to the Thevenins or Norton equivalent circuit is complete, which is Thevenins, I Nortons, R Thevenins, and R Nortons. And then you have to draw the Thevenins or Norton equivalent circuits. And then finally insert back the RL into the circuits. And then you can solve the question given. So what is maximum power transfer? Why? This maximum power transfer is used to find the efficiency of the power transfers and the amounts of power transfers to the loads. Maximum power transfer states a load will receive maximum power from a linear bilateral DC network when its total resistive power value is equal to the Thevenin resistance of the network seen by the loads. The keyword will be total resistance value equal to the Thevenin's resistance of the network seen by the load. This is Thevenin equivalent circuit. You can see that there is a Thevenins, R Thevenins, and RL. And then the I is flowing through the RL. The power for the RL is P is equal to I square R. So the I equation will be Thevenins over R Thevenin plus RL square and then times with RM. Thevenin and R Thevenin will be fixed. Therefore, the power dissipated will be RL is equal to the R Thevenin. This equation is very important. You have to include these assumptions into the solutions. The formulas for the Pmax is Thevenin square times with RL over 2RL square, which is you substitute the RL with the R Thevenin and then you can get the equation to be Thevenin square over 4R Thevenin. This is the final equations of the Pmax. Make sure that you remember these equations so that you can solve the equations of the maximum power transfer. I repeat again. This is the equation that you need to remember in order to solve the question related to the maximum power transfer, which is the RL is equal to R Thevenins, the Pmax is equal to Thevenin squares over 4R Thevenins.